Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 7 mathematics subject. Okay, so in our previous class we have started the fraction chapter. So today's class also we are going to do some more question based on fraction. Okay, so let's start today's class. So we are going to do the question of page number 177. Okay, question number 9a. Page number 177, you can easily look at your book. Question number 9a. The question is 1/10 of a class is absent if the total attendance of the day is 126. Find, in number 1 you have to find number of absent student, and in second number you need to find is total number of student. Okay, so 1/10 of a class is absent, and if the total attendance of the day is 126, find the number of absent student and total number of students. So let's start. Let us suppose total number of student bx. Okay, what we are supposing here is total number of student is your x. Okay, so if there are total number of student x, so how many are absent? So number of absent student, so number of absent student is 1/10. 1/10 means 1/10 of 1/10 means who's 1/10? That is your always total student. Okay, so 1/10 of total student is x, so you got here x upon 10. Okay, I hope you have understood this. 1/10 means 1/10 of x. Okay, that is your x upon 10. So as we know, what we know is from total student, that is your total student, if we subtract absent student, so what we got? From total student, if we subtract the number of absent student, then we got the number of present student, or that is the total number of attendance of that class. Okay, so from total number of student, if you subtract the absent student, okay, you will get the total number of present student. Okay, so you have total number of student as x minus number of absent student is your x upon 10 is equal to a number of present student is, or the number of attendance is given to you, that is your 126. Okay, so this you can solve by LCM method also. You can take LCM and you can do. Okay, so here all x means your x upon 1, so 1 and 10 is LCM is your 10. Okay, you got 1 will divide this 10, you will get 10. 10 is multiplied with the numerator, that is your 10x minus x is equal to 126. Okay, so we got here 10x minus x is your 9x is equal to this 10. This 10 is transferred to right hand side. Okay, if you transfer to right hand side, it will multiply, okay, with 126. If you multiply 10 with 126, you will get 1260. So what is the value of x? So x is equal to 1260 divided by 9. Okay, transfer this 9 to right hand side, it is multiplying here, it will go and divide on right hand side. So how much we got? 9 1 9. Okay, let's divide here, you will get 140. Okay, You can cancel also or you can divide. So okay, so value of x is your 140. So what is the number of absent student? So number of total student is 140. We got the value of x. Okay, and to find the number of absent student, please you solve add down. Okay, so number of absent student is your x upon 10, that is your 140 upon 10, that is your 14 student. Okay, so in that class there are altogether 140 student and number of absent student is 14. Okay, it's very simple. We have supposed the total number of student as x, so 1/10 is absent, so number of absent student is your x upon 10. So as we know, from the total student, if we subtract the number of absent student, then we will get the number of present student. Okay, so number total student is your x, absent student is your x upon 10, and the number of attendance at that day is your 126. That is the number of present student is your 126. So what we can do is we solve it. Okay, or you can solve x upon 10, take it to right hand side and 126 to left hand side and multiply and divide, and you can solve it. Okay, I mean to say, if you want to solve in another way, then I will just show you x upon 10. If you don't need to solve by LCM, then okay, 126 left hand side, x upon 10 right hand side. So again you transfer 10 to here, it will multiply. So 10x minus 1260 1260 is equal to x. So I hope you can easily solve it. 10x minus x is equal to 1260. Okay, so same steps you got here also, that is your 9x is equal to 1260. Same value will get, it's your choice. Okay, in what way you will solve. So after getting the value of x, that is your total number of student, and total number of absent student is your x upon 10, that is your 14 student you got. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this question. Let us do one more question. Okay, so let's see another question, page number 178. Okay, page number 178, question number 10b. Okay, you can see question number 10b there. So the question is, Vinaya spent 9 upon 10 of, let make it Vinay. Okay, Vinay spent 9 upon 10 of his money, pocket money. Okay, pocket money. He has rupees 120 left now. Find. What is to be find here? Number one is, how much money did he spend? And second thing what we need to find is, how much money did he have? Okay, so our question is, Binay spent 9 upon 10 of his pocket money. He has certain amount. Okay, and from there he spends 9 upon 10. Okay, he has rupees 120 left now. Okay, after spending certain amount 9 upon 10, okay, he has rupees 120 left. Okay, so find how much money did he spend, okay, and how much money did he have. So here also let's start. It is just similar to your previous question. What we'll suppose here, let Binay had rupees X. Okay, what we have supposed here, Binay had rupees X at the beginning, means at first he has rupees X. So money spent is how much? How much money did he spend? He spent 9 upon 10 of is pocket money. Okay, so the 9 upon 10 of what? Of x. This pocket money is x, so 9 upon 10 of x, that is your 9x upon 10. Okay, so now again we have here, what we have, total money. Okay, total money is equal to total money from here, money spent, how much money he has spent, plus, okay, left money or the remaining money. So total money what he have is equal to spend money, means how much he has spent and how much is the remaining. If you add that both, you will get the total money. Okay, you can make it formula by your choice. Okay, like the money spent is equal to total money minus left money, okay, or the remaining money. Like that you can make your own formulas. Anyway you can write it. So total money we have supposed x is equal to spent money is how much? What is the spent money here? Money spent is 9x upon 10, okay, plus what is the remaining money is here? 120. Okay, so we need to solve it and find the value of x. So I will transfer this 120 to left hand side. X minus 120 is equal to 9x upon 10. Okay, so it's 10 I will transfer. This 10 is dividing here. It will transfer to left hand side and it will be multiplied to all. So we got here 10x minus 1200 is equal to 9x. Okay, so 9x you transfer to left hand side and 1200 transfer to right hand side. So you got here 10x minus 9x is equal to 1200. Okay, so the value of x is your, solve it anyhow. Okay, x is equal to 1200. So what is the money with him? So Binay has actually rupees 100, sorry, 1200. Okay, 1200. Okay, so how much money the Binay had? Binay had rupees 1200. And how much money did he spend? Okay, so you can find here, you can put the values here. Binay spent is your 9x upon 10. Okay, that is your 9 into 1200 upon 10. Okay, so you can cancel 1 zeros like this and you can multiply here. Okay, so 1080 rupees. Okay, 1080 rupees Binay had spent. Okay, so the questions is very easy. Let's see once again. So Binay had certain amount of money. We have suppose that money is x. Okay, and according to the question, Binay had spent 9 upon 10 of the total money, that is your 9x upon 10. As we know, total money is equal to money spent plus remaining money or the money left. Okay, so total money is x, spent money is your 9x upon 10 plus remaining money, that is your 120 is left. Okay, we need to solve. For solving it, what I have done, 120 I have transferred to left hand side. This 10 is dividing, so I will transfer to left hand side and multiply with both. Okay, that is your 10x minus 1200 is equal to 9x. So 9x is transferred to left hand side and 1200 minus 1200 is transferred to right hand side. So 10x minus 9x is your x is equal to 1200. So we got the value of x as 1200, that is your Binay had rupees 1200 at the first and he spent 9x upon 10, that is your 1080 rupees. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this question. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you everyone. Please stay home, be safe. Thank you everyone.